Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I was going to share my nail mail from Miss Becky. She, along with sending me a ton of stamping plates, she also sent me an insane amount of stamping polishes. And I thought I would share them for those of you that want to watch. If not, come back tomorrow. I'll have something else here on my channel. So I'm going to pop in and I'm going to go through them real quick as I can, because there's a ton of them. So what I did was I made these little like swatch things, and I used like a white sticky label, like a mailing label, and then I used some of the chalkboard tape, and I did that to most of these polishes. Some of them you can't see them at all over the white, but that's okay. So this is from MoU London. I'd never tried theirs, and this one is Havana Pearl. And then we have Havana Pearl. And then Avalon Pearl. Must have been the Pearl series. And then we've got Galaxy. Very nice. And then, oh, this one didn't have a name. Doesn't have a name. It's a no name. But it's like a brown, bronzy brown. And then this one is called Last Dragon. That one's gorgeous. She also sent me a whole bunch of the color alike stamping polishes, and we're going to get started. I did mark them with stamping, and on these I put them on the side. Let's see if we can, oh, it's on the bottom. Golden Queen. So that's what that one looks like. And then, my stickers aren't sticking really great. I might have to tape them too. And this is Be a Prince. We also have Be a Lilac Sweater. Gorgeous. And this one's a silver one, and it's called Be a Princess. Sorry, I'm trying to mush down my things here. Next we have Be a Red Wine. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then this one is Be a Rudolph. Kind of got a little purple tinge to it. And then Be a Fairy Forest. Be a Holy Night. Yeah, I'm going to have to do some taping or something on these. More work, more things to do. Be an Aurora. Ooh. Can y'all see how gorgeous? Oh my stars, that's stunning. And then this one is Be a Raindrop. Oh, that one actually is like multi-chrome. It looks blue and purple. Oh, got to try that. And then Be a Twilight. It's kind of like a dark charcoal color. And then we have Galaxy Be a Mars. And then we've got 3 more of the color alikes. This one needs a good shaking. Look at that. And this one is called from the Galaxy series, and it's Be a Venus. It's kind of freaky. Because you can tell I grew up in the 80s. And this one is Be a Supernova. Very nice. It's like a gold with a little bit of green or something in it. I really like that. And then we have Be a Scary Pumpkin. Awesome. Alright, so let me take a pause and pull some more out. Alrighty, so the next batch of these that I have are from Moonflower Polish. This one's called Mystique. We have, oh, and this one isn't from that one. This one's from Kaleidoscope. I'm sorry. And I guess it's number S21. Okay, here we go. It's got it on the front. Gold. Come on, Tina, get your head out of it. And then we're back to the Moonflower ones, and this one is Celine. And then we've got Hidden Rose. Oh yes, that one's like green and like a purpley rosy color. Oh, Miss Becky has over the top spoiled me. I mean, this is like a lifetime worth of Christmases all at once. Pecans and caramels. Oh, wow. And I've never tried this brand. All of the ones that she sent me just about I'd never tried. And this is Serena. Beautiful. And then we have Cozy Sweaters. Next up we have a Celestial. And then 40 Maga flower. And then cranberry sauce. Stunning. And then there's another one of the kaleidoscope ones, and this one's called First Kiss. That is amazing. Look how well it did over the black. I'm just stoked. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and do these next kaleidoscopes. There's some of the bigger bottles and some of the littler bottles. And this is Copper Flame. Wow. And then we have the Paradise, and I put that one on top. That was my like prototype. I didn't like it on the top. And then we have Enchanted Forest, and that's so pretty. It's showing up blue on camera, but in my eyes it's looking purple. It's got blue or teal and purple. Gorgeous. So let me grab out the next round. Alrighty, there's one Born Pretty in here. Now I do have some Born Pretties, but I don't think I have any of the metallic looking ones. And you know, they don't name theirs, and so this is like a bluey purple, for real blurple. And then she sent me a couple of singles. Excuse me. And this is from IMK Colors for Stamping, and this one's called Antiqued. Such a nice gold. It's not like your normal gold. I love that. And then one from Dashika Stamping Polish. I don't see a name on it, but it's beautiful. And then she sent me a bunch of Twinkle Teas. Do these have names? I don't see any names or numbers, so we're just going to roll through them. It's like a coppery gold. And then another blurple. It depends on how you're looking at it. Gorgeous. And then a black. You know I go through some black stamping polish. And then like an aqua color. And then like another greeny gold. Oh, you guys. This is crazy. And then a metallic purple. Stunning. I'd never tried Twinkle Tea either. Always wanted to. I always go and put stuff in a cart, and then I just can't hit the go button. And there's like a cranberry red. Okay, the next ones I have are from Hit the Bottle, and I had never tried them either. This is one I really wanted to try, and this is Honolulu Blue. Let's see if I can get the turn. There we go. And this, I knew I wanted this one. I see Guyleen use it all the time. Copper-haired girl. Oh, so pretty. I have used this one already. And then we've got Every Day I'm Truffling. What a cute name. I love it. And then we have To Have and To Gold. Yes, 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 yes. That's kind of got like a little bit of an orangey tint to it. I really like that. I don't have anything like that. And then we've got Aubergine. Love purple. And next up we have Hello There Beautiful. And a gorgeous blue, and I've already used this, and it's called I Blew It on Polish. And this rose gold one, Champagne Shifter. Look at how pretty. I tested to see if I needed to top coat them. I've got to figure out a way, y'all. And then we have Rusty Nail. I'm telling you, Miss Becky has some insane taste. She's got such good taste. It must be love. Really, really going to get into playing with these. Y'all go see these very soon. Must have the hollow. So pretty. Okay, let me pause one more time and then I'll do the last round. Alrighty, she sent me a whole bunch of these little ones from Born Pretty. And these are 6 ml bottles. And of course they don't have names. I'm just going to show them real quick. This one's a thermal. There's a bunch of thermals in here. And it's kind of like a gray. Needs a good shaking. But there you go. Oh, I didn't show that one. Lord. There we go. And then the gray. And then we have a blue. This is like a hollow blue. And then a hollow black, looks like, or charcoal gray. High cotton. And then like a rose gold. Look how pretty. And then another thermal. I don't know what the colors change into, though. And then we've got a silver hollow. Oh, this one's got a number on it. It says 07. It's a thermal. And we got another hollow, and this one's 02. Another pink hollow. And then a red hollow, 03. So fun. And then this is another thermal. It's like a cornflower blue, maybe. And then like a teal, and it's 05. Oh goodness, that hollow's bland. There we go with the teal one. And then 01. And this is another one of those like duochrome looking ones. And then this purple is a thermal. So pretty. And then another one, this one's 02. And it is a thermal. So I have to label things because I won't remember. And then we got another thermal. It's kind of like a rosy color. We're getting to the end, I promise. Another thermal. Beautiful. Needs a good shaking. I can do that. And this is another thermal, and this one is 10. How pretty. Okay, and the last two. Got another purple one. It's a thermal. Very nice. And here's the last one. It's also a thermal. And it looks like a orangey mustardy color. I'm really looking forward to trying that. And this one's number 11. So those are the polishes for stamping that Miss Becky sent me. Not in any way to brag or anything. I just wanted to share them. See if there's anything you're interested in seeing me try. If there is, leave me a comment down below and let me know. And that is it for me today. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.